holy grail that saved my life, that saved my hair, that saved my curls. I promise you guys I'll be doing a length retention series, so this is part 2 to that series. If you guys have not watched the first video, then go ahead, stop this video right now and go to that first video where I talked about the Nature's Bounty hair, skin and nails gummies. Go ahead and watch that video, the link is down below. Today I'm coming with something that I haven't seen a lot of naturals talk about or use on their channel. I mostly see like Caucasian women who use this, Caucasian and Hispanic women who use it, but I figured, okay, it says it's good for all hair types, so I decided to try it out. I saw where a lot of people said it's like a miracle worker to revert heat damage, color damage, any type of damage to your hair. And I thought, really, can a product really do all that? And at first I was a bit of a skeptic, but then when I tried it, trust me, what I'm talking about is Olaplex number 3. It comes in this really small bottle. I've used it twice and I still have about half a bottle left. It's the Hair Perfector number 3. It repairs and strengthens your hair and it's for all hair types. It is 100 milliliters, 3.3 fluid ounce, and you can use this once per week, and if your hair is extremely damaged, then you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. It is not a conditioner, it is not a styler, it is a pre-shampoo, well, pre-poo type of treatment, and it's really easy to use. You have to use it for at least 10 minutes, and the longer you have it in, the more it works for your hair, the better your hair is repaired. So I decided to buy this because when I bleached my hair, my curls were pretty much looser, they were really damaged, and I was not seeing this fine type of curl that I have going on right now, which is more closer to my natural curl than it was when it was way more damaged. So I saw a lot of people using it, but like I said, it was mostly Caucasian women. I never really saw African American or black woman trying it on their hair, and this product tells no lies. It is for all hair types, because let me tell you, so I've done 2 treatments with this. What you normally do is you dampen your hair just a little bit and use it on hair that's dirty. You don't want to use it on freshly washed hair because it will have less of an effect. So you use it on dirty hair, and pretty much you just dampen your hair a little bit, not too much, then towel dry it just a little to get rid of the excess water. Then you pretty much just put it on your entire head. You don't have to use a lot, a little goes a long way. You leave it for at least 10 minutes. I left it on for about 45 minutes for the first treatment, and then I left it for about 20 minutes for the second treatment. And then after you do that, you rinse it out, you shampoo your hair, condition it, deep condition. You do your normal wash day routine after you wash it out, style your hair as normal. But let me tell you, after I used it, my curls were a lot tighter. So what the product does is pretty much bonds back the damaged hair follicles, hair shaft, whatever the scientific terms, I don't know them, but it pretty much repairs the broken strands and links them back, so your curls are back to normal. I don't know how it works for severely damaged hair, but I know you will see some improvement, because I saw improvement after 1 week. So there is, if you notice, I said it it's number 3, so there must be a number 1 and number 2, right? So the number 1 and number 2, you cannot buy that over the counter. You have to be licensed, a licensed professional to use it, because the strength of those products, the strength of those two are extremely powerful, and you have to be licensed to use it. Or you can get a friend who is licensed to use it, buy it for you, and then you can, I guess they can give it to you, you can pay them for it, but it's not something you can buy over the counter. But this is pretty much the take-at-home treatment. Take-home treatment number 1 and number 2 is used in the salon by professionals, and then this you get to take home, or you can use at home. This can be bought over the counter. You can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it on eBay. I bought mine on eBay for approximately $19. For my Jamaican people, that was about $2,500. They have step 4 and step 5, which is like shampoo and conditioner, which further repairs your hair as well. And I think there's even a step 6, which is a leave-in. But yeah, you guys can research this company. They also have a YouTube channel with tutorials on how to use the product. But this is my go-to repair treatment. You guys can try it out. I'm definitely sold on this. So I know the bottle is small for the price, but trust me, it is worth it. Like I said, I was skeptic, but I definitely do not regret buying it. If you can see, my curls are a lot better than they used to be. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you would have noticed that my curls were kind of loose and damaged, and look at the definition that I have now. Look how tighter the curls have become. They're going much more to their natural state, and the more you use the product, it's the better the health for your hair. So definitely recommend this. That's all I have for you guys today. Of course, I will be coming with more videos to let you guys know all my other tips and tricks on length and hair retention, how you can grow your hair out, how to maintain your length, your curls, the health of your hair. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the post notification bell so you can get notified when I post another video. But yeah, thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.